Hello, good morning everyone. Today we will learn about the welding process. So I will share with you regarding the gas tungsten arc welding, or we call it GTAW. So GTAW or TIG welding is the fusion welding process using non-consumable tungsten electrode shielded by inert gas, argon or helium. This can use for the chemical plant, power plant, and basically for other plant also suitable to use. Schematic of manual TIG welding. This is a current conductor, shielding gas in, welding touch, gas nozzle, contact tube, non-consumable tungsten electrode, your shield, arc welding, weld metal, option copper backing bar. This is welding wire. Manual GTAW or TIG welding schematic. This is detailed explanation. Then I can combine to the next slide. So the combination is including the component specification. So I divide component, time, flow rate, material cost, temperature in degrees C, and lifetime. Welding touch. To deliver current and shielding gas to the weld area. Time continues during the welding. Flow rate 15 until 20 CFH. Material cost WT01. Temperature up to 3500 degrees C R. Lifetime 10 years with the maintenance. Current conductor carries electrode current from the power source to tungsten electrode. Continuously during welding, flow rate not applicable, material cost CC02, temperature ambient to 100 degrees C, 10 year plus. Shielding gas inlet, entry point for the inner gas to protect weld zone. Continues during weld. Flow rate 15 until 20 per house. Material code SG03. Ambient temperature 10 plus year. Contact tube hold the align the tungsten electrode within the touch. Continue during the welding. Material code CT04 up to 200 degrees C, 1 until 2 years. Tungsten electrode non-consumable. Non-consumable electrode that generate to us. Continuous. Material code T05. Temperature up to 3410 degrees C. Various shaft or appliance frequency. If you see the welder many times and very often to touch up this tungsten to get good welding performance. Your shield continues delivering well. Flow rate 15 until 20. Material code GS06. Ambient temperature. Weld metal or metal pool. Metal pool that specified to the from weld joint. During weld, Material code WM04 depend on the material. Example, 660 degrees C for all. Lifetime permanent. Copper backing bar, option. During well. Material code CB02. Temperature up to 300 degrees C. Lifetime fire until 10 years. Gas nozzle. Continuous during well. Flow rate 15 until 20. Material code GN10. Temperature up to 200 degrees C. Lifetime 1 until 2 years. Origin and first use. Invented on the 1940 by Russell Meredith Northrop aircraft. Original called Herlick welding. Adopted in aerospace, nuclear, chemical, and power industrial. Application in chemical and power plant. For the piping root pass welding, for high pressure piping. Welding stainless steel, nickel alloy, titanium. Critical joint in the welding, heat exchanger, reactor vessel. Orbital welding in clean room, high purity system. GTAW essential and non-essential variable. This will comprehensive on the next slide. Essential and non-essential variable according to ASME 9, B31.1, B31.3, and B31.8. I take this code just for the general example and explanation. ASME 9, base plate pin number, filler F number, welding process, PWHT and thickness. Non-essential variable, joint design, travel speed, electrode parameter. B31.1 power. Essential variable, PWHT based on CE. Weld method, material group. Non-essential variable, bevel angle and root spacing. B31.3 process, impact test requirement, weld procedure qualification. Non-essential variable, cleaning method, per gas type. B31.8 for the gas. Essential variable, weld type, material group, pressure class. Non-essential, weld position, filler wire diameter. Supplementary essential variable applied when impact test is required. So this is a deep penetration according to the polarity. If you see current, heat balance, weld profile, cleaning action, electrode capacity. So from the top is GTAW welding equipment, and the tip is the tungsten, and this weld metal, how deep the penetration. We divide become 3, 1, 2, 3. So for example, for current, DCAN, direct current, electrode negative, deep penetration. For the AC, alternative current is middle penetration. DCAP, direct current, electrode positive, then is very shallow penetration. So heat balance. DCAN 70% at work and 30% at electrode. For the alternative current, 50% at work and 50% at electrode. For DCAP, 35% at work and 60% at electrode. For weld profile, deep and narrow. For the alternating current is medium. Direct current electrode positive, shallow and wide. Cleaning action for the DCAN is not required. For the alternating current, yes, very half cycle. Direct current electrode positive always need to clean. Electrode capacity. DCAN is excellent. 3.2 mm by 400 ampere. Alternative current is good. 3.2 mm, 225 ampere. DCAP is poor. 6.4 mm by 120 ampere. Technical parameter. Shielding gas argon, helium or argon plus helium. Current DCAN is for most Ac force aluminum and magnesium. Ampere 50 until 300 ampere based on the thickness. Welding position 1G or PA, 2G or PC, 5G or PH, 6G or PF. Basically, 6GR also have additional welding position. GTAW process improvement. From the beginning, GTAW process already a lot of improvement. Post GTAW better heat control. Orbit GTAW automatic welding, automatic pipe welding. Flux assistant GTAW deep thick, deep penetration. Hybrid GTAW, GM rail combination precision and speed. AI based on monitoring real-time weld quality prediction. Advantage and disadvantage. Advantage: clean weld, precision control, no sputter, good for exotic alloy. Disadvantage: slow high skill requirement because of the slow molten volume. Sensitive to contamination and costly. Heat input. Control via current, voltage and speed. Normally, GTAW we call is low input performance. It means welding performance is better. Common defect: lack of fusion, porosity, tungsten inclusion, head effector zone cracking. Comparison GTAW with other welding process. GTAW high precision, low speed and no sputter for the high purity material. GMAW only fast, some sputter for fabrication. SMAW stick, field welding and structured steel. FCAW for heavy fabrication. SAW thick section and automatic welding. Thank you very much. Presented by Nadesmanto, G-Sweep certified. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you for the next video.